Hello everyone, welcome again. And today I'm going to explain about the reading the documents, and we are going to use the pre-built features of the Azure AI. Okay. So first of all, uh, we have to go the ai.azure.com slash management center slash all resources. Okay. And then you have to click on the create new, and here there are two options. Microsoft Foundry resource, we are going to use AI hub resource. Select on this and click on next button. This is project name, any project name you want you can give here, and this is hub name I am giving. In the advanced option, this is my subscription. Any resource group you want to choose you can give. If you want to create the new resource group, then you can do region, and just click on the create button. It's starting setting up Microsoft Foundry for you, and it will take 1 or 2 minutes. Let's wait for completion. So you can see here it's completed, and this is the my endpoint API key, and this is the URLs we are going when we can use in the calling from the Python or C Sharp, any language you want. So first of all, in the left hand side menu you can see here this is the AI services. Just click on the AI services. Okay. And there are the different services: speech playground, content understanding. We have to choose vision and document. Just click on the vision and document, and here in the first document tab there are the different type of documents pre-built structure there which we can use. And this is the general document. I am selecting OCR and read. Okay. Here you can see here there are different format there. Suppose I select the read German, and click on the analyze option. Current document all page. In the optional detection language I just selected, and click on the save button. Now click the run analysis. Let's see what details it's giving by the analysis of this document. You can see here these are the text it's giving. Okay. Paragraph, this is the content it's giving from this document, and this is the JSON format of this. Okay. Now let's going to use in the Python code. So first of all, I'm going to copy the API key, and this is the endpoint Azure AI service. This is the endpoint of this. Okay. Just I'm moving in the Python code. Yeah, let's continue with how to call through the Python. So for the Python, we have to use library.net environment. Environment, you already know we are using only the reading the data from .env file, and that is the library Azure AI form recognizer. That library we need to install. So for installing, okay, we need to install. So let's see one by one what we need to do. Yeah, this is the our project here, Payable Doc Intelligence. That project will find in my GitHub projects library. I will share the link of GitHub library in my video also. So first of all, in the environment variable, we declare the endpoint and key. What is the endpoint and key? We will find the endpoint and key from here. I already shown to you. This is the API key, and this is the your endpoint. Okay, let's go here. So first of all, we install. How to install? Just you call the my this requirement.txt file, so you can install, or you if you want to directly install, pip install and library. Okay, then this line is just clearing the console, and these three lines I am reading the endpoint and environment key from this .env file. This is just a validation, and I am analyzing one path. I am keeping one PDF file here, sample invoice, in my local folder. You can see here the path also. I will show you how it is look like. You can see here, this is the one invoice PDF I am going to analyze, and this line is just creating a object of document analysis client, and here I am reading the analyzing the document. Just this is the file, what file you want to choose. This is the file path, and this is the object. I am passing the file model ID. This is the pre-built invoice, document, and local. This is the file path. I am passing, just by passing this will give the result here. Okay, and I am copying the result, display invoice information for the user, and this is the very few syntax here, just reading the file. You can also just print the receipts. You will get the all document in a text format, and in that, from that document, suppose I want to choose the what is the vendor name, customer name, and all, so you can get from this way. I'm just running it. You can see here it's analyzing started. You can see here vendor name is this one, Conscot Limited, customer name Microsoft Corporation, and total invoice 110. Okay, let's see in the invoice also. This is the vendor name. You can see here customer name Microsoft Corporation. Perfect. And this is the invoice 110. This is the total invoice. In this way, you can get read the document by using the Azure AI pre-built feature. I'm going to upload this project, my GitHub project, GitHub library, and you guys can get all the code and everything by GitHub. Okay. Thank you all. Yeah, thank you for watching the video. And if you have any question, then give me the comment. I will reply as soon as possible. And if you like my video, then please like and subscribe. Thank you.